H. Jackson Brown Jr. once said, "The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today." As the school year opens for the second year of the COVID-19 pandemic, TUMAUINI National High School, as an indispensable driving force in continuing the education of every Filipino learner, guarantees its readiness to delivering quality basic education. Join me, together with the faculty and staff of TUMAUINI National High School, in the preparation for the opening of classes for the school year 2021-2022. Come and be part of our venture towards excellence, and together we achieve the extraordinary.
Before the announcement of the opening of classes, TUMAUINI National High School made certain that everything falls to the right place, simply by ensuring that everyone is properly informed and guided regarding the new mode of learning. This, as an initial action, the school conducts an orientation with the teachers who are responsible in the preparation of the modules to be used and in charge in disseminating information to parents and learners. The school also communicates with the parents to discuss directions and problems in the implementation of modular learning. Likewise, the learners are informed about the schedule and scheme of their classes. Prior to the distribution of modules, the school ensured that all learning modules are geared up both in print and in e-copy. For students who opted to have modular learning, the teachers begin printing and packing modules. Meanwhile, the school has adopted the use of Kotobi application where students can access the e-copy of their modules offline. To monitor, upload, and update documents in Kotobi, the school assigns learning resource coordinators in every curriculum. The school has available references or supplementary materials for distribution to the learners such as learning activity sheets, radio-based instruction, e-Tulay, and AdeptEd TV. In an interview conducted by the teachers through phone call and other social media platforms, the parents have expressed their willingness for the option of modular distance learning for their children. As a matter of fact, the parents are willing to co-supervise and co-monitor the progress of their children's modular distance learning, essentially because parents are partners of teachers in education.
To our teachers, parents, learners, and other stakeholders, we have succeeded to carry on the learning process in the previous year. We can do the same or even better this year. We are looking forward for your full and continuous support and collaboration as we realize our goal of promoting quality education amidst the pandemic. Because in TUMAUINI National High School, excellence is our topmost priority.